Hello students, this is an important message regarding the upcoming online BCom Honors Entrance Examination of the Faculty of Commerce, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. First of all, don't panic and don't wait for the last moment. Please attend the mock test on 23rd May because it will help you understand the complete exam process before the actual exam on 26th May. You have already received your login credentials, your username and password. If you have not, and any kind of query is there, please contact on the given helpline numbers. Now, before your exam begins, make sure your camera is working properly. You have a stable internet connection, at least with 1 Mbps speed. Your device is fully charged or connected to power. Use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox on laptop or desktop. Avoid Apple or Mac devices or iOS devices like iPhone, iPad, MacBook. For the mock examinations, you will be only given 15 questions. Students, please make sure to please allow camera permission and sit in a well-lit room, and nobody should sit with you because the exam will be monitored through AI-based remote proctoring. Your photo and screen activity will be recorded during the examination. Keep your hall ticket or valid ID card with you before you start the login of the examination. You have to take your photo, you have to take the snapshot of your ID or your hall ticket, complete the verification, and sign in on the examination. You have to shut down all the messaging tools which notification can interrupt your examination. If you're using on phone, please do it on the DND mode. And please make sure to log in on the correct date and time, otherwise, your exam will not be shown to you. After you complete the sign in and the verification, now you are into the virtual exam hall and you also abide by the rules and you can start the examination. Now, during the examination, certain things that you need to follow. You are not allowed to use the calculator. You can only use a plain page for the rough work, which you have to show it on the camera during the examination. The details will be shown to you on the examination on the left hand side, and at the end of the page, you will also see your video recording, which is being streamed on. There will be no section in the question paper. There will be only multiple MCQs question, and each question will appear once at a time. You have to click on the appropriate answer and submit it on the button. So choose your answer wisely. Once you have attempted the question, you will not be shown the same question. You cannot modify or edit the answers of it. As mentioned, do not use the calculators. And also remember, do not switch tabs, do not copy paste, do not move outside the exam window. This warning will be given 8 times. After that, system will automatically log you out and terminate your examination. To make sure to give the proper camera and microphone permission. Vivo phones are also not allowed, and Apple and Mac devices, again repeating that it will not be allowed. Make sure you're not wearing headphones or any kind of electronic devices. Do not take your cursor off the page. After this, if any kind of technical error happens to you, don't panic. Simply re-log in with the same credentials, ID password or OTP you can also use, and continue the examination with the same question where you left. Certain tabs, such switches are also not allowed. You can check on the guidelines page the tabs which are not being permitted. After that, check your SMS and email regularly for your login details, exam time, username, and password. And make sure if you face any difficulty, you have the contact numbers to log in for your help. If any kind of technical error, you can contact them. Do not panic if you get logged out. Re-log in with the same credentials. Prepare well, stay calm, and give your best performance. All the very best for the examination.